Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another Misfits Market unboxing. Before I get started, I'd just like to give a shout out to Diane, Megan, Heather, Paul, Abby, and Cheryl. They all signed up using my Misfits Market coupon code. If you'd like to use it as well, I'll link to it in the video description box below. So let's get started on this Misfits box. We're just getting into the beginning of it here. And the first two items out are items that I did order specially out of the Marketplace section of Misfits Market, so they were not standard with my subscription. And those items are the green beans, and also a pineapple, which is a little bit buried in the box. We'll have to dig it out. And I have to say it was delicious. I did make it in my teriyaki chicken tonight. Everything else in the box is included at the subscription level. And the first item out of the box is packaged separately in a smaller box, and that was one tomato. I assume they package it like that to stop it from smashing. That'll go good in my salads this week. I also have a nice head of butter lettuce. I'll go ahead and chop and wash that up later and get it ready for my salad bag. And I've got some spinach as well. It looks a little worse for the wear right now, but trust me, as soon as I chop it up and wash it, it'll be good to go. Next up, I had 2 yellow bell peppers. I used one in my teriyaki chicken tonight as well, and it was really good. And then we had some pears. I got some pears in my box maybe 2 weeks ago, possibly 3. Whatever it was, they were really good pears, so I had to go ahead and order some more. So we'll just give those a day or two to ripen up. Next up, 3 cucumber. I did order 2 a regular one and a English cucumber, but instead they sent me 3 small regular ones, which is fine. I can use them all for the same purpose, which I was going to. 2 yellow onions. Some red onion. Another pear. And another red onion. I was a little low on onions, so I doubled up on those this week. Then we have some apples here. I just needed a little more fruit around the house. And then the last one, I had ordered some yellow sweet fingerling potatoes and purple ones, but they seem to be out of those because what I got looks to be just like regular red potatoes, but that's fine. Instead of making roast potatoes, I'll make potato salad one night instead. Sometimes you just have to adapt with these subscriptions because they do make substitutions here and there. And there was also a recipe card stuck in the liner of the box as well, which I discovered later when I was breaking it down for recycling. So here I'll just spread everything out again. My scissors seem to have snuck in there as well. Most of these veggies will go through my weekly salad mix. Every day for lunch I make salads. One of these days I'm going to upload a video of my salad technique just for you all to see. Until then, I thank you so much for stopping by again for another Misfits Market unboxing. I hope to see you next week. Have a great week and take care. Bye.